All right, it'll work for this. So anyway, what year is this? 63. I'm gonna put those in this.
So I just put all the side windows in and it took me about a day and a half to do that.
Yeah.
All this rubber and there's a channel that goes around. I mean, I worked and I worked and I worked and I don't give up.
Yeah. Well, that's good.
It's not fun.
Otherwise, it might not get done, right?
Try to get it all lined up, you know, all that stuff to fit perfect.
Yeah, looks good. All right. What was the body shop you used to own?
College Boulevard Body Shop.
College Boulevard Body Shop in Boise. And you
29 years.
did it for 29 years, and how long ago was it that you...
Left in 1999.
99, so 25 years ago. Pretty cool. All right, we're gonna get this together here.
Did that an hour ago.
Yeah, well, look, it's in, and it looks good.
Yeah, probably looks okay too.
Yeah, but if we need to, we can redo that one.
It's nice and flat. It's
Yeah.
You know.
Looks really good. I mean, I thought the front looked good until we did the back, and then the back is amazing.
Back, this looks better.
Yeah.
It's all even around each side.
Yep. 63.
63.
Okay, we did that one. And then he shows me this.
So when I had my shop in Boise, I had a truck exactly like that. That was my shop truck. And I had
I love it.
College Boulevard on its door.
I like the horn on top. Does it work?
Kinda. This is.
Wow. Pretty cool.
Pretty rare.
Yep.
These are more rare than a bus, actually.
Oh, yeah.
And they're so unique and useful.
Oh, yeah. So cool. Then he showed me this. You built all these, right?
Built all these.
Yeah.
35 Cabriolet. ZZ4 Chevrolet crate. All ass.
And that one. And then this one. And then, whoop, spin that one. Whoop, spin the thing. Cool. And then this one.
Was 61.
61?
Yeah.
Oh, my camera's going weird. All right. That's really cool. I actually saw this one
Trying to think of that guy's name.
at another customer's.
He was married to a Simplot girl.
Oh.
And they got a divorce.
Oh, really?
So this actually belonged to her.